Look at that beauty. That's a nice turtle that just went in. We are here, right across from the boat ramp at Lake Seminole Park. Lake Seminole used to be a saltwater estuary. It was connected to Long Bayou, but it was dammed off. There's a little blue heron here in the wetland. So we did see a snapping turtle, the very end of the snapping turtle, and we got a little blue. We also have some waterfowl there, moorhen, and a red-winged blackbird with yellow plumage. Up, just hop there. There it is. Here in the marsh, red-winged blackbird with little yellow plumage. But the interesting fact is that for water management purposes for South Pinellas County, this was dammed off at Park. So on the other side of Park, you have the saltwater estuary with mangroves, and then on this side of Park, you have the freshwater lake that used to be a saltwater estuary. So we're here on Lake Seminole. It is got a very small watershed comparatively for a lake its size, but it's highly populated. So water quality is a great concern here in South Pinellas at this freshwater management system. So Lake Seminole used to be part of Long Bayou down by Bay Pines, and now it is a freshwater lake, a converted freshwater lake.